Alright guys, today we have a new Snap-on product. We had this little chair here. This is called a creeper. You got a lot of good design to it. This is green color, but we had to get another one. So we're gonna unpack a new package that Snap-on already opened up, which he shouldn't have done. And this is what you get in the package. We had a green one, so we had to get a different one this time. We couldn't have two same ones. It would be too confusing which one belongs to which person. So this is the one I got. And see, this is a Frankenstein. He has actually the nice little electric drill there. And this one got a cutter. Alright, so let's take this out of the box. They're nice. You can sit on this, roll around under the car. You can put your tools on there. There's another little shelf in the bottom. So if you buy a creeper, this is like $160 to $70. And it's a good, this thing holds about almost over 200 pounds. So if you're heavyweight, you'll be alright to buy one of these. It's a good stuff.